got one question from somebody sent me. And I just want to mention, so if somebody does not want to speak or doesn't want to put the question on the chat, so just send me directly and I can answer. It doesn't matter. It does not have to be public. So the answer is, so the person said, right, well, one of you, I think, I'm not sure if a person is here or not, doesn't make any difference. So the person asked about the name, because in a time of the judgment, we're going to ask, what is your name? And of course, from the shock, what's going on, and people would even forget their names, right? And it's not proper, right? There are some consequences. So our sages say you have to say the pasuk, from Tehillim with your name, and that's how you're going to remember. So the question was where to say it. So I'm going to show in the Shemoneh Esrei our Siddur in the morning. So it's at the end of the Shemoneh Esrei. In the end of the Shemoneh Esrei. Just 1 second. I'm on the page 119, if somebody have a Siddur. So it says, so we finished Shemoneh Esrei. The last blessing was blessing of the peace. So we officially finished Shemoneh Esrei. Then we say this passage, may expression of my mouth and my thought of my heart find favor before you, HaShem, my rock and my redeemer. So Yehiratzon. So you said this Yehiratzon after you finish Shemoneh Esrei. Then you say the longer paragraph. It says, my God, guard my tongue from evil and my lips from speaking deceit. So Elakai, Metzor. So you said this paragraph. So after this paragraph, and it's actually, I see it is a commentary. So here you have to, I mean, it's not obligatory. It's not. It's optional, but very, very recommended to say the pasuk with your own name. And it's, one second, see the commentary. It should be somewhere in the back. One second. Okay, I see page 924. So it's the end of the 924, end of the Siddur 924, and you actually have Tehillim here. 924. It says. Verses for people's names. Okay. So it is in Hebrew only, but you can learn that it's not a big deal. And on each pasuk, it's actually it gives you the first letter of your name and last letter of your name. Okay, so that's how you remember your name, right? The last letter and the first and the last. And actually, on the bottom, it says actually the source. For example, the first one is Psalm 118:25, and you can read up on this verse, of course. And if you can remember, or go to the back and read the verse. But initially, you're going to remember. So it's first letter and last letter of your name, and that's the proper place to insert it. And then after you insert this piece, this pasuk with your name, you say, may expression of my mouth and my tongue and the thoughts of my heart find favor before you, HaShem, my rock and my redeemer. So it's again it's Yehiratzon. Okay, and that's it. And then you take you take it these 3 steps back. So it's before may. One second. May expression of my mouth, like when we say second time, not the first time, but second time. So you say this passage. That's it. That's a very interesting question. I mean, it says here, but it says in such a small letters, and it's not clear, like from the commentary where to find it, but it is there. Page again 924. Okay, very good question.